Fix in 5. P0485. Cooling fan power/ground circuit, control circuit malfunction or open C, medium severity. Here's what it means, what causes it, and how it's fixed. Ignore it long enough and it gets expensive opinions about your wallet. First, the symptoms. Cooling fan not operating or operating intermittently, engine temperature gauge reading high, vehicle overheating warning light illuminated, check engine light (MIL) activated, cooling fan runs continuously regardless of temperature. Now the most likely causes. Faulty cooling fan relay. Cooling fan motor failure or open circuit. Blown fuse in cooling fan circuit. Corroded or loose electrical connectors at fan or relay. Broken or damaged wiring in cooling fan power/ground circuit. How to fix it. Replace cooling fan relay if faulty or burned. Replace cooling fan motor if open or non-functional. Replace blown fuses and verify circuit protection rating. Clean or replace corroded connectors. The scanner and parts I'd use are linked below. What does it cost? Roughly €12.45 doing it yourself, or €72.105 at a workshop. Rates vary by country. How common is it? Reported on 0 models. People also ask. How much does it cost to fix P0485? The cost to fix P0485 generally ranges from €80 to €500, depending on the specific fault, your vehicle's make/model, and local labor rates. A diagnostic scan at a shop will help identify the exact cause. Quick one for the professionals. TroubleAtlas Pro is your whole workshop in one app. Get cited by AI when drivers nearby look for a pro, fast fault code diagnosis, full vehicle data from the VN, parts and tire prices, and client management with PDF quotes. And one for the manufacturers. Make a device. Put it to the test. TroubleAtlas runs an independent evaluation on a fixed, public protocol, gives it an honest score out of 10, and an official seal you can license for your own marketing. We test the product, we never sell the score. And every certificate is verifiable on our site. Apply at TroubleAtlas.com/TroubleAtlas certified. That's P0485. The full guide and every related code are on TroubleAtlas, links below. Subscribe, new fixes every week, and keep your dashboard quiet.